Yun po yung location ng unit natin. For example, yung block 1 at 12 natin is here. Block 1, block 12. Ito yung unit number, yung block. Ito yung block 1, block 2, yung block 3 natin. This will be our block 4, block 5, block 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Makikita nyo man po sir yung mga available natin sa mga whites. And then for our Mesa Verde, sir, this is our RFO unit din po ng mga condominium units. For building A, we have 3 units available. For building B, we have 7 pa naman. And then more or less mga 10 to 20 units for building C. Ito po sir yung building A.
Balik kami doon.
Dito kami galing.
Doon kami naka-check-in.
Check-in. Sige. Then here for our Mesa Verde, it's because RFO unit din siya. Now, we can also offer our 595 and then our standard payment term. We offer our 595 payment terms, sir, for the RFO units. Now, still 30,000 including reservation, 2.5 pa rin ang down payment natin, that's for the and then the discount for 70% for a studio unit. And then for our Mesa standard payment term, sir, still 20,000 reservation fee, the down payment is 10%. Stretchable ng professor ko because 40,000 sa period natin. That's 24,000 divided per month for 12 months, this will be the number. Any questions, sir, for our projects?
Pwede makita namin.
Sige, sir. Yes, sir. Yan muna namin.
Pwede naman.